Abortion is the deliberate terminating of a pregnancy. Depending on how far along the female is, will determine which type of abortion she must have. Early stage abortions are called medical abortions. The female must take 2 pills to end her pregnancy. If she is farther along than 9 weeks, she must go to the clinic to have a surgical abortion. Now, is it the right of the woman to have these procedures done, or is it the right of the unborn child to live? There is much controversy over this topic, and some people believe abortion is cold-blooded murder, while others truly believe the mother should have the right to choose. Almost 1/4 of American pregnancies end up in abortion, with half of those being illegal. So, should this procedure be legal or illegal? Research shows that either way, the same amount of procedures will be performed. However, if abortions are legal, the number of maternal mortalities will greatly decrease. When women have a safe, legal option to carry out these procedures, they are in much better medical hands and in safer conditions. When they have to go to back alley clinics to have illegal procedures done, great health risks are involved, even endangering their lives. 1 woman dies every 7 minutes due to an illegal abortion. Legal abortions prevent this and lower the number of mortalities due to abortions. The second reason abortions should be legal is the potential health risk involved in pregnancies. Women who have complicated health issues such as heart and kidney disease, severe hypertension, sickle cell anemia, or severe diabetes can have great complications when being pregnant. Abortions allow the female a fairly safe method to end the pregnancy without having to suffer through what could be a fatal childbirth. With technologies today, people can also determine what the health risk of their children might be. Women may choose to do an amniocentesis or have ultrasounds done to see what health risk the child might have when they get older. The woman should have the right to end the pregnancy if she feels that she does not want to bring her child into the world with possible health risk. Another reason abortion should be legal is failed contraceptives. Some women take every option there is and use it to prevent pregnancy. They make sure men wear condoms. They take their birth control every night like they're supposed to. However, sometimes condoms break and birth control fails. Women still end up pregnant. Women should have the right to have abortions as these last options, even though their birth control failed. Finally, abortions should be legal because people get raped. When women are raped, they have no control over their body. Being forced to keep the child inside of them reminds them they still have no control over their body. They must suffer the consequences of the traumatic event every day. Giving them an abortion would give them control back of their body and help them move forward with the recovery process. Just as there are many reasons why abortions should be legal, there are reasons why abortions should be illegal. The first and foremost reason is there is an alternative to abortion: adoption. Although there are many unwanted pregnancies in the United States, the Adoption Institute states there is no unwanted child. 500,000 Americans are seeking adoption. Instead of getting abortions, women with unwanted pregnancies could deliver and give their baby to a safe, loving home where the family could provide for the child. Another reason abortion should be illegal is that a life is terminated when abortion is performed. The potential of the child is killed. A doctor, a lawyer, a senator, the next president, or even the founder of a cure for cancer. The options are endless. No one knows what that child could have been. Each child that is conceived has a role in this world. When mothers choose to end this life, they are altering fate. They are taking a life out of this world that was supposed to be there. A role is no longer fulfilled. A final reason that abortions should not be legal is the fact that women use this as another form of contraceptive. Many women don't see this process as a scary last option. Instead, they use it as a secondary option. They use no condoms, they don't take birth control, They have unprotected sex. If they end up pregnant, hey, I can just have an abortion, they say. Abortions shouldn't be so easy to come by. Women should not just use them as a secondary birth control. They should use condoms and birth control to prevent pregnancies instead of ending a child's life. Now, in GMC 154, we talked about ethical egoism. This theory states that each individual should do what is best for his own interest. Now, with the case of abortion, ethical egoism supports abortion. If a woman is pregnant and does not want the child, she should do what's best for her. If the child is at risk for health issues, she should do what's best for the child. With this being said, she should be able to have an abortion. Ethical egoism states, whatever is best for your own interest. Women should be able to have abortions according to ethical egoism. Now, thinking about this theory and all the reasons that have been listed today for abortion and to oppose abortion, what do you think? Should abortion be illegal or legal?